Now let's get rid of all those cats, because today we're gonna learn the delete request, how to delete a book. First, let's get rid of this in this array. We don't need it anymore. And let's go to book component and add a delete button. Don't care right now about styling. We'll do the styling later. Just add a delete text. Let's give him a style. So quick, too quick. Delete text. Styles.delete text. Let's give him a color red right now. And let's give him function on press equals to a property called on delete press. On delete press, let's pass it as a prop, and it will be a function that return void. Don't care about this, it's just a TypeScript issues. If you're not familiar with TypeScript, don't worry. What you need to add is on delete press here and here. Okay, now let's go for the POC and add this function on delete press will equals on delete press handler on delete press or on delete handler. Let's create this function here, const on delete handler equals to, we're gonna dealing with a promise, so we need to add a async function and await. Const response equals to await axios.delete method. Delete, we are using it to delete a book, and we're gonna put this URL. But now we need to delete a book with his ID. So this function will accept a parameter called ID, or let's call it book ID, and pass it here like this. Or we can use a better way with a new string of ES6. It will be like this, Okay, on delete POC handler, we're gonna just pass the item of ID here, item.id, because if we want to delete a POC, we just give the ID of that POC. For example, ID 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 or 4, and the item of ID, it returns the ID of item that we want to delete it. Now let's test our function, but we just need a new alert book deleted, and call this function get list of box. Now let's try to delete any book of those. Okay, book deleted. Let's delete that. Great, the book is deleted. Let's delete this. But we have here something like the image is not updated. The error now, it's a bug in mock API. When I'm using the auto-generate data, the images, anytime I fetch it gets changed. So I think it's not our mistake, but it's a mock API mistake. So I have added a box. I've added them manually with the same author and same name and the same price, but different images. So let's try to delete them. Now the issue is gone. Look, it works perfectly. Now we've learned how to delete data from the database using delete request.